Hi, Yvonne Musso here with ATG USA to share with you on how to use the Lasso selection tool. The Lasso selection tool is an implied Windows crossing selection. In the drawing area, I have shapes and text. Let's type E for the erase command and click and select the word text lasso. You can select each of the word text lasso or use the selection tool. Click once, hold, move the mouse, and select all the word text lasso. With all selection tools, when you start from the left, only that in the closed window selection will be erased. And when you start from the right, all that touches or crossing in the window selection will be erased. In other words, from left to right is selective, and from right to left is all. The lasso selection tools works in the same way, but best used to select objects from other objects when they are too close to one another. For example, let's use the erase command again. Select all the text in cyan. You can select the individual text in cyan or use the lasso selection tool. Let's see that in play. Type E for erased, click and hold and drag and select and lasso all of the text in cyan. With practice, you will find how quick and fun it is to lasso anything. And if you do not care for it at all, you can turn it off. Let's see how. Type OP for option, selection tab, and uncheck allow press and drag for lasso. Okay, now it's your turn. Explore and see what works for you. Thank you from all of us at ATG USA.